First thing you're going to want to do is set up AutoSave. To do that, you go under Windows, Settings, Preferences, and then go under Preferences. This window will pop up. Under Files and Projects, AutoSave, you click on Enable. This will, by default, save every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, this is going to automatically save the work in the project folder. Okay, click on Save. Then you're going to set your project. To do that, you go to File, File, Set Project. This window pops up. You decide where you're going to be saving this. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this one Maya Demo. Okay, I'm going to double click on that and set to that folder. Create a default workspace is what you want to do. The next thing we're going to do is create a project window. What this does is it creates folders inside of that folder where we just set the projects for your scenes, templates, images, source images, render data. All of these things are things that Maya uses to create your 3D model and to hold the textures and the sounds and any scripts you're going to be using for this project. Okay, click Accept. Then we go under File, Save Scene As. If you did things properly, it should automatically go to your project folder. This one is Maya Demo and into the Scenes folder. By default, Maya is going to try and save this as a Maya binary. I prefer Maya ASCII because it's backwards compatible. The files are a little larger, but they're easier to use if you wind up using an older version of the software. So I'm going to call this one Hammer, because what I'm going to do is create a hammer and save it again as a Maya ASCII. Leave all of the other stuff alone. Okay? Save as. Continue. And now we are ready to start creating, and Maya will automatically know where to save our scenes. Every time you click File, Save Scene, it'll also know where to look for all of the source images that you're using for textures. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is verify that everything was created properly. So mine was under Documents in a folder called Maya Demo. When I clicked on Project Window, I created all of these folders. And when I clicked on Set Project, I told Maya to look in this folder for all of the assets for this project. Okay? Then under Scenes, when I saved the scene, I named it hammer.ma, hammer Maya ASCII file. This is what you should see if everything is correct. If not, go back and do it again. We'll get to the next lesson, which is actually modeling, in the next video.